Okay, here we are at the Cat Cafe in Tokyo. An amazing idea where you combine a cafe and cats.
Genius. It is genius.
Have a coffee and pick out your cat. Which would you like? Gigi? Mocha? So many cats to choose from. I'm not sure which I'd like to choose. You pick a cat and then it will sit in your lap and play with you as you drink your coffee. Welcome to Tokyo.
Oh, the one that's being eaten by the pumpkin? Yes. That was my first one. Like this.
And there's rules for holding the cats and petting the cats.
God, they must love it here. This is a resort.
What do you guys think of your experience at the Cat Cafe?
Perfect. I know, that's named
When do we get to order our cats? This is like... What did you just pick it up? Oh, you just like pick it up? Or? I think that's how I would innovate it. I would do it if you order a cat.
This has room to be disruptive.
It does.
There's room for change here.
Amazing.